Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about that how to make a revolving earth-like map that is just going to the exact place where you are or anything like this that is used by nomadic Indian. Yes, you are listening very right. Nomadic Indian use a intro in which he shows that where he is exactly right now. Then it shows a earth or a globe revolving, and after that it goes to the exact point where he is right now. So for that you don't need much more. Before starting, just like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now you have to go to your computer and you have to install a screen recorder so that you can record whatever you are doing right now. And after that you have to go to the internet browser, and from there you have to type Google Earth. And over there, when you type Google Earth, you will find a place where it exactly automatically gone over there. You have to pinch out it, or you can use scroller or any kind of plus minus, control plus minus, or exactly whatever you want to use, mouse button or exactly anything. By using that, make it a round globe over there. And when you make a globe over there, you will find a left side option of a search option over there. Type the exact name where you want to go, and when you find the name, click on that, and it will automatically start revolving and go to the exact point where you want to where you are right now or where you want to show. So that's the process and that's the scenario. If you like this video and understand, use that screen recorded video wherever you want to use. Like this video, share the video, and subscribe this channel for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.